Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a dual E-motor with standard battery range, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the max trailer tow package, and has a 9.6 kilowatt Pro Power Onboard. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera with a tailgate step. We even get a nice little bed camera there as well. A nice gripped platform running board, side view camera with some lights, blind spot detection, and of course you do get a place to plug in your vehicle for charging, which is pretty handy. And we got up front the nice customary LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a powered frunk, which you can use on the key fob, the button just over there, or a button by the driver's side, which provides you with tons of storage. You even get storage underneath with your mobile power cord. You got hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, more hooks above. Got an escape route if you get stuck down here. Got a nice little frunk light as well, and your outlets for your Pro Power Onboard that you can turn on and off from just right there. And to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will show up or go down automatically. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, a nice carpet interior with floor mats. We got some cup holders, 2 USB-Cs, rear vents, and 120 volt. And of course you can lift the seats for a split folding rear bench seat, which allows you to have extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have mostly powered seats, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of more door space up front. We have your frunk, lights, parking brake, and pedal adjusters all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 21.6 kilometers. We have this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we get a digital speedometer. We have our distance to empty, so that would be around 329 kilometers on the battery, which is pretty handy. We got our gear select that is collapsible, storage, cup holders, storage with some outlets. We have our trailer brake, Protrailer assist, engine start-stop, your center console with tons of storage. We got dual climate up front with heated front seats, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right there. And looking here, we have our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. You got your phone controls, navigation, Fave apps, messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard, zone lighting, charge settings, drive modes, all that jazz. Apps in general, or any apps you download, show up right here. Your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings, just your normal vehicle settings, and you do get like nice little widgets on the side here as well that you can go through. Features of the vehicles, and we're just going to look into our drive modes real quick. So we have normal, sport, tow and haul, off-road, slippery, one pedal drive, locking differential, and hill descent thanks to that max trailer tow package. Pro Power Onboard, trip and energy, charge settings, owner's manual, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG15002, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.